Hello, in this video I'll show you how to open up the Emojis and More menu using the shortcut on Logitech G413 TKLSE. Okay, so if you want to write or pass the emoji, just like in the Messenger, for example, on the phone, to open up that menu we need to simply hold the Windows button, and then we need to click the colon button. Now I'll open up the Notepad to show you how it looks like. Okay, currently I'm on my desktop. I have launched the Notepad to show you how it works. So let's say we are writing something. And now to open up the emoji menu, click the Windows button, then the colon, just like I was saying. And now we have the Emoji and More window. And here we have a whole list. And here we have also the categories. If you want to paste and write the emoji, simply click on the icon and it will be copied. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.